Hello everyone, I am Paraj Modi, and as a part of IAVM Knowledge Series, this time we are talking about origami and mathematics and its applications. So, in this fun folding session, we shall be learning how to make this fun model, which is an origami spinning top, and I do hope that you enjoy making it as much as I always do. Spinning top and spin it like this. And for those who are going to make it with me or going to follow it, I would request you to have three papers with you. If you have colorful papers, you will need one paper for this outer molecule, one for this inner middle one, and one for this inner one. So you might just as well choose your papers and uh, probably give a thumbs up on Zoom, and then we'll start. I have three papers with me. Is everyone ready with their papers?
I think yes. Just we can go ahead.
We're good to
Okay.
go.
All right. So I'll be using this one for the outer molecule.
Paraj, can you get just adjust the camera a little? Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Okay, so now you can see it
Yeah.
entirely, right?
A little top. Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Okay. So for those who have papers which have white side up, let us keep white side up. For those who have papers that are same color, it's fine anyway. We take this paper and then we fold it like this, such that we get a rectangle. We divide the square into half. We match the edges and fold it. If anyone gets stuck anywhere, just put it in the chat box. I'll be happy to stop and then redo it. Once we are done with this, we open it up, we unfold it, and then we have a crease line here. We take this edge and then we put it on this crease line like this. And we rotate it. And we do the same thing on the other side. So here's just a little tip. Whenever we fold any of these folds, we should not use the nails or this portion of the finger or the thumb, which is very soft. We instead use the one in the middle, this one, so that you get a crease that is visible and it is not too hard on the paper that it makes the paper to tear. Something like this. Okay. So I hope everyone has this with them.
Yep, I have. Okay.
Okay. People are free to, put it in the chat box so that I know. For me, it's a little blind. That is why.
Yeah, no, that's okay. And if really you're stuck, you can also unmute yourself and talk because that'll be easier. Yeah.
Yeah,
Only if you're
sure.
stuck. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. So we have this. We put it vertically, and then we fold it into half. And then like this, unfold it again, and then we have a crease here, right? So we take this edge entirely and put it on this crease. Then we rotate it and we do the same thing on the other side. Since we are doing things bilaterally, this is how this is, and this is where we get an idea where symmetry comes from in origami, right? So we unfold it and we hold it horizontally, something like this. And once everyone is done with this, I want you to be like really attentive at this step because it's a little different from what we have done so far. So you can see this square on the right top, right? You can put your finger in here, any of the finger or the thumb, and then fold it like this. So what will happen is this particular edge will lie on this fold, right? And this particular fold will lie on this edge, and we will have a crease here like this. And this is one of the applications of Rosita Justin axioms that we already saw. So something like this. We're gonna fold like this. And you can lie it flat and fold here as well. We need a crease here as well. Is everyone with me?
Yep.
Okay. And we need to do it on all the sides, this side as well, and these two sides as well. So put your finger in, open it up. We need two creases here and here. So we have something like this. Rotate it. Do it again on the third side and on the fourth side. And then fold it flat. This is what it would look like. For those people who are still folding, I'll just share something interesting. If you fold it in half, don't do this. You can get a double boat. It's like a double boat. It's actually a model that I made as a kid, but yeah, this is where we have to reach so far. So once we are done with this, we just need to fold it on the other side so that we can have a crease here as well. As you can see, we don't have any creases here, and we can easily get them by just folding it in the opposite direction. And we will get the same model over again, but with these diagonal creases. Are we done?
Yep. I think so.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Yes. So we have these four leaf-like structures. We take one of them, we put our finger in here, and then we collapse it like this. This is like a water bomb base that we saw, right? It was like this, put my finger in, and then collapsed it. We do it on all the four sides. It's easier to do if we have these diagonal creases. If we don't have them, we need to make them, and that may get the things a little messy. And the last one. Are we here yet?
Yep.
Nearly.
Okay. So we can see these four diagonal creases, right? We need to have them visible so that we can fold these the further creases. We take
Okay.
the upper fold here, you can see, and we put it on the crease like this. So now we are going to be folding the petal fold as I demonstrated.
Okay.
Okay, we do it on the other side. We can do it on all the sides at once so that doesn't bother us afterwards.
Okay.
So the beauty about petal fold and the squash fold is that in the petal fold you have to fold it like this, in the squash you have to fold the other way. So by mistake, if you flip them, you end up getting a completely different model, which is not what we want here. So petal it is. Yeah. So we have something like this. To make the petal fold easy, we further, as you can see, don't no need to open up. I'm just showing it. We have two creases here. We can have one crease joining these 2 points, right? Again, the first axiom of the Rosita-Justin axioms. You can fold it directly, something like this. That will give us the ease while folding the petal fold. Okay, and just quickly unfold it. We don't need to have a lasting crease. It should just be there. Okay, are we here?
Yes.
Okay. Um, Let us take one of these molecules and unfold it. We have a small triangle here surrounded by other three triangles, right? So we take the topmost fold, be a little gentle with the paper, and then extend it up to the crease that we made on top. We made a little triangle, right? So something like this. And when we do this, we have two bottom folds that we have already folded. And on top, we need to collapse the rest too. Something like this. Make sure the tip is well formed. So this is the petal fold that we talked about.
Do we do
And
that
then,
on all four corners?
yes, we need to do that on the all four corners.
Okay. Yeah.
Everyone able to do this? If you could yes, write yes in the chat box. Okay, we have it on all four of them. Just give me a heads up and I'll go forward.
I'm there. That's good.
Okay. So if you keep it in a position like this, we can fold this one. I mean, half of the petals of the adjacent ones and pull it upwards. However up you can pull it, because this is the limit where the half of the petal will be, you can fold till that line. You have to do it on all four sides. This is pretty simple.
Okay.
And once we're done with this, we will just fold the petals back in. Now, if you can compare in the already folded model, this is ready, right?
Okay.
It's okay to fly out for a while. So we keep this aside. The first molecule is made. Is everyone on the same page? Are we all done?
I hope so.
Yeah. Not receiving any messages in the chat. So yes, let's move on to the second molecule as seen here on in the blue. Okay. The rest of the two molecules are pretty simple. We have the white side up. We again divide the square into half, two rectangles. And we unfold it. We rotate it and do the same thing again. After unfolding, you'll see four squares. So now we'll take this edge, hold it by the corner, and put it over here in the middle, the intersection point of the two lines, and fold the triangle. And we need to do this on all the other sides as well. This is done. Once we're done with this, we flip it over and do the same thing again. Take this edge and take it to the center intersection point. Everyone here?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And then we flip it over again and do the same thing over again. So this is the third round of it that we are doing, and this is the last round. We'll have something like this, and then we will flip it over again and not do it. So don't do it. but we will have these 4 different leaflets coming out, and we will fold them in half, something like this. So this is the second molecule that will go in the middle like this. Are we done?
Yes, we're done.
Okay, we put it aside. And the third
Hmm.
molecule, it is just as simple. It is similar to the second one, but we will not be flipping the model over and over again. Right side up. Divide the square into half. Open it up, rotate it. Do the same thing. Open it up, and then again take the corner to the intersection. Fold triangles. This is the first round. We'll do a second round of it, but we will not flip over as we did in the first and in the second molecule. The second round is also done. I hope everyone is with me.
Yes, we're with you.
Okay. And the third round. So we have something like this. Now we'll do a couple of folds in order to ease out the process. So out of this, we are going to make a triangle base. How do we do that? Um, to make it easier, we fold the paper like this. I mean, not really fold and give proper creases, but just mold it in such a way, like this, getting 2 triangles. After that, we did something like this. We unfold it, flip it over, and then fold rectangles in both the directions, so that the process of making a triangle base would be eased out. So once you have something like this, you can push onto these and get something like this. I will repeat. You have these mountain folds and you have the valley folds. You hold the paper like this with both your fingers and just push it in. You'll get something like this. Is that done?
So it's like a little star.
Yeah, that is like a little star that goes on top. This is
Hmm.
the one.
Okay.
So now we have all the molecules. The top is almost ready. And we just need to assemble them. So we'll begin with the first 2 molecules. Everybody has them ready, right? Okay, I got thumbs up. So we are going to hold this molecule such that our thumb compresses these leaflet, and then we will insert it into this tiny space that we have. We'll do the same with the rest of the edges. Need to be gentle with the paper here. So it has gone in two ways. Third one also goes in. And we have the fourth one left. You can pull it in and then push it a little. So it will go. Is that
Oh,
done?
no, wait. Slowly,
Okay, I'll wait.
slowly.
Should I do it again?
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, I just took it out. So we hold it like this. We have our thumb compressing this leaflet and let it go in this small pocket. We have this much done.
Yeah.
Okay, then we pull it back a little and then push it in the second pocket.
Yes.
Okay. The third and the fourth one are a little difficult because we have
Mm.
restricted its mobility up to a great extent. So we'll have to pull the paper a little more and be gentle with it, otherwise it will tear off.
Yeah.
Are we done with the third one? Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Got it.
And the last one is again difficult, but we just need to pull more and then push it back in.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I hope everybody has done this much. Just give me a thumbs up if possible.
Mhm.
Okay. Yes. And now this little star that we have. It also works in a similar way. We need to assemble it like that. We have a little pocket in this middle molecule in which we will insert the first one. Okay. Then we'll again restrict the mobility of the second one, open up using the other hand, and push it back in. And we rotate it. With the third, we do the same thing. However, since we have folded this paper multiple times, it has become a little thick, so it might be difficult to pull it. Are we done till here?
Yes.
Okay. And the last one. Probably in this case, you can just rotate a little and then get it back into its place. Everybody with me?
Yes.
Okay, I hope everybody is done. Now you don't need me to play with it. So this
Got
is
it.
again an example of action origami that we talked about.
This is beautiful.
That's amazing.